Today we are talking about Tai Chi Walking. Whenever we walk in Tai Chi, we shift all of our weight to one foot. It is full, emptying the other foot. Now empty, so I can move it. And we put the foot down slowly. Now when we walk in Tai Chi to the front, it is like we're walking on railroad tracks. So this is not like a field sobriety test where we are walking heel to toe on a line in front. We've got two lines. Our feet are roughly hip width apart. We shift our weight to one foot, left foot in this example, so that we can lift up the right, pull it in and tap, step out with the heel, and then slowly roll forward. And we are testing purchase. I think of this as a parent walking in to a dark room at night, feeling for Legos. Or a teenager, to reverse it, walking in late at night, wooden floors, making sure they avoid the squeaky one. We put our weight forward. When we are sure, we continue shifting all of our weight to the forward foot, making the rear foot empty, and we can tap if we need to, step in line with the hips, rolling forward, or flowing forward, putting all of our weight on that foot, like water is flowing into it. And only then, whenever the foot is empty, do we step, flowing forward, and stepping. From the side, opening, 50-50, bottom heavy, top light. Shifting our weight over to the left, we can come in and turn the body and tap. Step out with the heel back, like railroad tracks. Like our yoga mat is the railroad tracks. Off to the back side. Roll forward with the heel. And at this point, this starts to feel uncomfortable. We need to pivot out. We've got enough weight on the front that we pivot out the heel of the back. Going forward, stepping, rolling our weight to the right, flowing like water. Walking back the other side, tapping, stepping, flowing forward, all of our weight, lifting up the empty leg, forward, all of our weight forward, back empty, can come up, it can tap if it wants to, or it can step out. Rolling forward, flowing forward, This is Catwalk 1, or Tai Chi Walking 1. Walking like a cat, pawing like a cat, or walking like you are on rails.